So we're going to number 7, which is actually reflects your shoulder, your arm, your elbows, and your wrist. So you would stimulate it like so. This is also where the armpit is, which regulates the immune system and reactivates the lymphatic system. So you would stimulate it like so, back and forth. And at the end is my wrist, and I'm right now having tenderness, so I'm going to spend a little bit of time there to eliminate or to release that tension on my wrist and the tenderness. And then you move on to the other side, and that's it. You've got the detox ritual. So we're going to go and do that all at once, okay?